Would you want to know a simple way using simple games to increase the joy of learning and the motivation and excitement of your student or children to participate in activities you plan for them either before, after, or during the lessons you plan? So let's subscribe. Put a comment below that you subscribed, and let's dive right in. There are two ways you can use this YouTube escape room game to entice your student to be motivated to learn or to be excited to participate in the activities you have planned for them. One, use it as a lesson starter or an incentive to complete your work fast. Using the brain teasers questions in the original game format. Two, you can customize the questions in the game according to your topic objective, right? And allow your students to be able to play the games excitedly while learning the concepts that you want them to learn. To use it as a lesson starter or an incentive for completion of work, alright, send to your students the two links, one the link to the video and the link to the game, and give them the instructions. Alright, the 4 instructions are also found under the YouTube link against the description. First, to click on the game link, then to find the clues using the YouTube video, and going to the games to click to find the actual answer to the clue, which will lead them to the task. Finish the task, get to the next clue, and as they finish 4 clues and 4 tasks, they will be able to escape the game. So let's try. Okay, they click on the video. Okay, then be led to the YouTube. Alright, and at the same time, they will have to click on the game, and that will lead them to open the game itself. So from the YouTube, they will find the clue to the game, and then they will go to the game itself to click to find the answer. Alright, okay, we found the answer. Alright, so once they click the correct clue, they will be able to do the task. Okay, and as they get the answer, try out the answers to the task. Okay, if it's wrong, they can just come back and answer again until they get it correct. Then they will be brought on to the next clue. The questions in the original format, the brain teasers, are very interesting and fun. Alright, you may want to try for yourself all the clues and all the questions before giving to your students. Right, so you'll be able to advise them. Okay, and you'll find the fun as well. You will find the link at the card on top, alright, or in the description below for the link to the original YouTube and the original games. Alright, after you click on the escape game copy link, you'll be given a copy of it in your Google Drive. Therefore, you need a Google account. When you click on that particular copy, you'll be able to customize 4 tasks altogether, okay, to your own topic requirement. Okay, I've created a sample of it, so let's just take a look at them, and there are 4 different types of activities that you can include in the game itself. Okay, let's dive right in. Then you click on the link. This is a link to the YouTube, alright, which is the same YouTube, which contains the same clues, alright, and then this is the link to the game that I've customized. Okay, I click on it, we'll go over to the game, it will appear the same, start. Okay, student need to start, and then through the YouTube, they find their first clue, alright. Okay, the first clue. You go back to the game and look for the clue. This is the answer to the clue. Alright, you can actually embed the video in the task itself. Okay, yeah, so they can actually play directly in the task, the video. Okay, and they go through the video that you want to watch. Learn the things that you want to learn. And after they have finished watching, they click on the task. You can give them a question, an MCQ question for them to answer. Okay, or you can actually place a code within the task itself. Okay, yeah, or the video itself that they must find, okay, to answer this question correctly, right? So let's say they click, if it's wrong answer, they can actually just click and go back and watch the video again, yep, and then attempt the task again, alright? So the answer for this particular one is 2. Okay, so once they get it, they get into the next clue. Right? So thank you for watching, alright? If you loved the video, please subscribe at the bottom and give your comment that you have subscribed, okay, and give a thumbs up even better, right? Thank you very much. Thank you once again. Embedded here are more videos on other tips of how to use IT for learning and teaching, alright, or other escape games or other games that you can try out, alright. Please click them and enjoy the learning, and I hope that you have learned or you have benefited from this video. Thank you. Have a great day.